Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this updated guide, delete pictures from text messages on Android. We'll show you how to quickly remove images from your conversations to free up space or clean up your message threads. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Messages app. You can find it either on your home screen or inside the apps drawer. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. In the main menu of the app, you'll see all your message conversations listed. Open any conversation from which you want to delete the pictures. Step 3. Once you're inside the conversation, scroll through the messages and find the image you want to remove. When you see it, tap and hold on the image to select it. Step 4. After the image is selected, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a trash or delete icon. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, so go ahead and tap delete again to confirm. That's it! The image is now deleted from that conversation. And there you have it. Your picture is gone and your messages are cleaner than ever. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.